Starting off today with the Enunciator Doppelbock from Devil May Care Brewing in Winnipeg. They describe it as a rich, flavorful Doppelbock that flaunts bold raisins, fig, and date characteristics, all backed by the toasty traditional malt backbone that you've come to love from German beers. That is interesting. It's got a lot more malt flavor than I was expecting from a bock, but yeah, there's a lot of good flavor in there. I like that one. So today I'm going to be looking at this flashing garage parking signal that my brother gave me for Christmas many years ago, way before I ever had a garage built. But now that I do have a garage built, which was part of my COVID project, I spent like 2020 vacation money on, I think I will take this apart. I'll open it up, take it apart, see what's inside it, and then probably install it in the garage if it's any good at all. Interesting that it came pre-Christmas wrapped right from the company. Not quite sure that I've seen that before. Anyway, that is pretty much the same as that. Flashing garage parking signal. No more run-ins with garage walls. Automatically signals where to stop. Flashing with twin LED bulbs when bumped. Impossible to miss. Easy to assemble. You crash into it and it flashes? Okay. So let's see what's in here. We have a little red stop sign with a couple of button cells in the back of it. Okay. One of those. Some little rods. That just, I guess, yeah, go together like that. Oh, the bottom of it has an actual metal coil spring. All right. It's about 4 times 30 centimeters long. Okay. And then we have this piece, which I assume is the base of the thing. Yeah, that's just... Oh, hey, okay. That's just a little plastic base that I guess the spring goes into there. And then these rods go up and up and up. Okay. That's the easy, boring mechanical part. Here is the electronic part. Should we take it apart first, or should we just see if these batteries, as ancient as they are, still work? Yeah, let's do that. So I can already hear that there is some kind of a vibration sensor rattling around, but the lights aren't lighting. So let's take it apart, because that's the main reason for being here today. Maybe I should take the battery door off. These little self-tappers are really gummed into that plastic. Okay, batteries. Standard LR44 button cells. Looks like they've got little springs behind them for the contact. Okay, we'll get that last screw out of there. And there is the circuit board. It's got 2 LEDs. It's got, looks like there's the 2 springs that go through for the battery contacts. And it has a disappointing little blob chip. There is a small resistor, 224, 220K, right? And last, we have this little component here, which I have to assume is just a vibration sensor. So that's probably just a little ball bearing or something similar rattling around in there with 2 metal contact plates. And just as it gets agitated, it jumps around and makes and breaks contact, which I guess would tell this guy to do something, and then these two LEDs to light up. So let's just check the cells that came with it. That one says 1.5 volts, as it should, and that one says 1.5 volts, as it should. Okay, so if we stack them up, we should get 3 volts, right? Yeah. That goes back on there. I'll just throw these screws back in and we'll try it again. Okay, so I guess that does its job. There's nothing too particularly special about this. I was hoping for something a bit more interesting. I was definitely hoping not to find that blob chip. I guess in a darker environment it would show up better, but oh well. Okay, let's I I guess let's take this thing out to the garage and set it up and crash into it with my car and see what happens. So I guess first we'll just roughly assemble this. Jam the spring down into there and attach these rods. They are just a tight shove fit. And then put that guy on top. Whoa! Actually, that shows up not too bad in the light in here. Can you see it? Yeah, that's working even with the full lights on in the garage. Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, let's try it with that turned more like that. Maybe it won't fall over this time. Okay, take 2. If you would stop flashing, then I can come and crash into you and make you start flashing. So it didn't actually start flashing until after I had put the car into park. Okay. This thing has weird sensitivity. Sometimes it seems to trigger on like nothing, me slamming the car door, and then I crashed into it and it didn't start flashing until after I shut the car off. Wow, okay. Yeah, there it goes again. What the hell? Well, okay. Oh, thanks, my brother, for the gift. Yeah. Well, as cool and high-tech as that is, I think I'm just going to rely on a tried-and-true traditional analog method. As a bonus, no batteries to replace. Well, that was a slightly interesting diversion, I guess. A little disappointing, but so it goes. Anyway, well, there it is. I don't even know if these are available for sale anymore. It was just imported from China by a random company. Hang on, let's see if they actually still exist. Okay, the website redirects somewhere else. They look like they're just a general retail company that do all kinds of random crap, right? I guess that shouldn't have been entirely surprising. This kind of stuff just shows up every year at Christmas from whatever random company. So anyway, thanks to my brother for giving this to me for Christmas a bunch of years ago, and sorry it took so long to get my garage built so I could actually install it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk to you later.